Once your account is created, you can start purchasing licenses. Go to your account settings located in the menu at the top left of the screen. Click on My Account. Then select Add Licenses. The first step is to choose your contract type, monthly or yearly. For yearly contracts, there are two billing options, monthly or yearly. The difference between a monthly contract and a yearly contract with monthly billing is as follows. With a monthly contract, your license renewals and billing occur monthly. You can add more licenses at any time, but you can only reduce them at the end of your monthly billing cycle. In contrast, with a yearly contract billed monthly, you lock in the price of your licenses for a year. You can also add more users as needed, but you can only reduce them at the end of your yearly billing cycle. Billing is also monthly. For a yearly contract with yearly billing, you make a single payment per year. You can add more users at any time, but you can only reduce them in your next yearly billing cycle. In this case, the invoice is generated once a year. Once you've chosen a plan, select the number of users you wish to purchase. To operate the system, you'll need at least one user with the planner role. Below is a brief explanation of the available roles. The planner has full access to the application's functions and system settings. The technician has limited access to perform assigned maintenance activities. The operator can send data related to their assigned assets. The viewer user can only view information and has no editing permissions. To increase or decrease the number of users, use the plus and minus buttons or enter the number using your keyboard. Depending on your billing country and the plan you select, you'll see the available payment methods. For monthly contracts and yearly contracts billed monthly, you'll only find prepaid and recurring payment options. For yearly contracts billed yearly, bank transfer, postpaid, prepaid, and recurring payment options will be available. Keep in mind that each payment method offers different discounts. After selecting your payment method, you can generate a quote or confirm your order to complete the purchase through the payment system. For bank transfers, postpaid, you will need to generate your quote and contact the sales team to proceed. For prepaid options, you can choose credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. If you choose the credit card option, click Add New Card and enter the requested information. If you choose bank transfer, click Pay. You will receive an email with the subject line, Complete your bank transfer payment. Follow the instructions. Pay close attention to the information and details for making the transfer. Finally, if you select recurring payments, the option with the greatest discount, click Confirm and Pay Now and add your card details. Please note that with each renewal, the charge will be automatically applied to this card. Once the payment is complete, your invoice will be generated and your licenses will be activated.